this is how you use Canva to create an infographic. Please go to canva.com, www.canva.com, like canvas without the S. If you have a login, someone said that they had a login, that they used this application last year. If you have a login, go ahead and log in. If you don't, you need to sign up, press education, teacher or student, because you are a student, and you need to sign up with email. It's going to ask you a couple things. It's going to ask you to what type of creator you are. You will select student again. It's going to ask you to invite team members so that you can collaborate on your infographic. You may do that. You may invite your team member by inserting their email, or you could just work on one computer if you feel like that is the way that you work best. It will ask you to select the type of design, and it will give you the option to select a poster or an invitation. And though you may click on poster, if you click more designs, you could search for infographic, and there's tons of infographic templates. So let's get started. So I'm just going to log in. And in my login, already in the Create Design, it asks me if I would like to create an infographic. There is a search bar. If I press more, I can look at all of these, and infographic would pop up. But since it's right here, I'll click on it. And I have tons of different infographics. Let's just click this one. You could click a color scheme that you like. You might click the font that you like. This one's super low key, so you can do a lot more to it. Let's go ahead and click a different one, though. What about this one? I like how all the different symbols are right here, and I think that I could manipulate them. So the thing that I like to do first, not add a new page, delete, is zoom in so I can really see. I actually like the font, so I'll keep it. I can just click and manipulate it, or I could delete it altogether and click a new font that I like. The free ones are free, and I actually really like this one. It's kind of a invitation, but Maiko Hero. Then I put the hero's name. Maybe I will put Mike. And put some stats here. If you look over here, you could change the background pretty easily. You could also add free photos. You could add a different type of grid. So if you want to make it so that you just want to delete everything on here and you want to select a different type of grid to manipulate, you can do that. So if I wanted to do that, you'd probably have to delete everything there and then click one of these and change the background. Oh, that changes the background all the way. You can change it by changing the colors here. But as you can see, you would definitely need to delete everything here. So that's one thing you can do. You can add other elements such as shapes and different lines to separate things and illustrations. One thing I want to point out is that there are free things, so if you wanted to insert this popsicle, you can. I don't know why you would, but it is free to use. If you search something like hero, there are things that are free to use, and there are also things that say pro, that you may not use this because it costs money. You can also go to uploads and upload images. These are all images that I've uploaded before that I found online under Creative Commons. So if you press upload, you might find a picture. This is a picture of my little niece. So it's uploading now. And as soon as it loads, I could insert it in. And maybe I decide that I want to insert it and make a infographic about her. I could delete one of these things. I could delete that. and make it the same size. Kind of turn. There. Who knows? But you can really do whatever you want. I'm here to help you. Good luck. When you're ready, it saves as you go, but you can share it, and you can share it by emailing it to me. You can download it and upload it to your OneNote.